Hey, welcome back to my series on UFOs and the US government. In the last episode, I gave you an overview of the topic and why it's important. In this episode, I'm going to show you one of the most intriguing videos of a UFO ever captured by the military. It's called the Gimbal video, and you can watch it right here.
Dude, this is a fucking drone, bro. There's a whole fleet of them. Look on the ASA. My gosh. They're all going against the wind. The wind's 120 knots from the west. Look at that thing, dude. That's not our LNS though, is it? It's not. That is the LNS, dude. Well, if there's like... Look at that thing! It's rotating.
Did you see that? A white, oval-shaped object flying over the ocean at a high altitude. The object appears to rotate on its axis, while maintaining a steady course and speed. The pilots who filmed the video can be heard expressing their amazement and confusion at what they are seeing. They also mention that there is a whole fleet of these objects on their radar. So, what is this object? Is it a drone, a balloon, a bird, or an advanced aircraft? Well, none of these explanations seem to fit very well. A drone would have some kind of visible propulsion system, such as propellers or jets. A balloon would not be able to rotate or fly against the wind. A bird would not be able to fly at such a high altitude or speed. And an advanced aircraft would not be able to perform such extreme maneuvers without creating sonic booms or heat signatures. Some experts and witnesses have suggested that the object is a product of a secret military program, either from the US or another country. However, this raises the question of why the Pentagon would release such a video and admit that they don't know what it is. Others have suggested that the object is a manifestation of some unknown natural phenomenon, such as plasma or ball lightning. However, this does not explain how the object can behave intelligently and interact with the pilots. Of course, there is also the possibility that the object is extraterrestrial in origin, meaning that it comes from another planet or dimension. This is the most controversial and exciting explanation, but also the most difficult to prove. Some people believe that the government knows more than they are telling us, and that they are hiding evidence of alien contact. Others think that the government is just as clueless as we are, and that they are trying to find out more about these mysterious visitors. What do you think? Do you believe that the Gimbal video shows a UFO from another world? Or do you have another theory? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more videos like this. In the next episode, I'll show you another amazing video of a UFO that was captured by the Navy in 2015. It's called the Go Fast video, and it will blow your mind. Stay tuned.